Lucieron. Stitch.
Because I hit there. Yes. I'm good, believe it or not. It's okay.
Good.
It's okay.
Maybe you needed that. Play more.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. Oh, man.
Higher we hit the ball, more angle we have, and more power we can put on the ball. So, use your side, go up, pass it up, No, not just here. You need to leave the shoulder. You want to serve? Leave your shoulder. Leave the shoulder. Yeah. Good.
Can't touch the net. Thank you. I think it's nice. So today was an interesting and cool day, but now it's somewhat coming to an end, but not quite yet. Guess what I'm about to do? Well, I got the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, so now I'm gonna unbox them. Come follow me. This is so cool. So exciting. Can't wait to put them on. I'm supposed to put on my glasses. Can I get them out? My daughter's laughing at me. Wait, help me get them out. But don't pull them out. Oh, thank you. I'm so scared. I think it's so cool how the case lights up though. Okay, so take this off. We can take this off. That was loud. Wait a second. Okay, so a lot of loud speaking. Okay, so I got my glasses on. Oh my gosh. Okay. And now detecting. So my glasses are on. Okay, let me figure this out. Wait a second. Break away. Just when it seems so clear. Okay, guys, so these things are cool. They're too cool. Too cool. There's no other way to describe this. This is absolutely amazing. This is new level. Okay. To set up was fairly simple. I just had problems to get the volume and stuff, but I must tell you guys, if you're like me, who likes to add a bit of hair, you know, if your ear isn't fully accessible, I mean behind the ear, that has to be free, because the frame needs to have contact with your skin. If there's no contact, then it won't work. So if you guys have some extra added hair or whatever it may be, wiggy, you know what I'm talking about, it won't work. So make sure this area here is free. Other than that, these things are so cool. I love them. And I like the brown color too. I mean, they have them in black. In Germany, they only have them in black. But I got lucky and got them in brown. And you know, I didn't even know anything about these glasses. I just saw a display. We were in the sunglass shop. And I don't have the bag here. I got these guys. Actually, these was the original ones that I wanted. And I got, I tried them on and I just fell in love with them. From Versace. Woohoo. Yeah, and then I saw this display of these guys and I thought, that is so cool. How does that work? And you know, it was so funny because the sales representative, she was so sweet. But if she was smart, she would have directed us immediately to these glasses. Because if I would have known that, I would not have looked at the Versace. Okay, Versace looks cool and everything. But these are next level. Okay, guys, there's a camera here. I can record, I can take pictures, I can listen to music. It's so cool. And you know, this is first generation, so how are these things going to enhance in, you know, 10 years from now, you know, where you probably won't be able to see the camera? Just amazing. I feel like this is like some James Bond mess, you know what I mean? I mean, this is so cool. I'm flabbergasted. And probably later on they're going to have them in all types of colors and everything. And I was even mentioning that, you know, okay, we got the music and we got the camera, but the lens will probably be the next level where you'll be able to see messages. I'm telling you, Terminator, you know, you'll be able to measure the heat, you know, when somebody's in the room, you'll be able to look in the dark, you know. This stuff is coming true. Check out the movies. This stuff is coming true. This is crazy. Okay, however, and for these guys, it's not that expensive. It was, what, 360 euro. And I think in America, 320. And I was told in the States, you all have it even better because you have AI. You have the AI feature, which means if you have to have something translated, you know, the thing will automatically translate the language for you as you have your class. This is crazy, guys. This is out of this world, okay? Okay, I'm going to bed, but wow. This is crazy. Wow. It's in one sense a little bit scary too. You know what I mean? Crazy. Anyway, guys, good night. See you tomorrow. I'm so happy. Oh my, nah. What? Look at the water. You see where it was? Oh my goodness, yes.
It's usually where we always like
yeah.
sit. Oh my.
It
Nah,
overflooded.
we can't go there then.
It flooded there a little bit. Fuerteventura weather, so super duper. So, supposed to go and rent some e-scooters, so we'll see. I don't know. I've done it one time, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I don't know. We'll try and we'll see how it works. The vacation is coming to an end.